Imagine running a YouTube channel that gets thousands of views without ever showing your face on or speaking in front of camera. Well, that is exactly what faceless or YouTube automation channel is all about. And this channel here and this channel here makes not less than 30,000 US dollars every month without ever showing their face on camera. You might think this takes years to build, right? What if I told you that people are doing this right now? Some are earning life-changing money through YouTube automation. And you have probably watched one or two of their videos without ever realizing that is the world of faceless YouTube automation channel. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to start one from scratch. But you have to know this. This is not a magic or push a button and money will start falling from the sky. In fact, most people fail at this for three reasons, and I will tell you those reasons in seconds. But here is the good news. If you avoid these reasons, you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. And I categorize how to start YouTube automation into steps from step 1 to step 7. That is why you need to watch this video till the very end to understand the whole process. Here are the killers of most YouTube automation channel you need to know. Number one, burnout. Trying to make daily video with no system. This is one of the reasons most people quit YouTube. So you have to have a system that will help you stay consistent. Number two, using the wrong tools. Not knowing the right tools to use will make every step harder than it needs to. So number three is inconsistent. Uploading randomly can make YouTube upgrade and never trust your channel. That is why you see people doing YouTube for 2 years without reaching even 1K subscribers. Now that you have known what you need to avoid to succeed on YouTube, let's dive into the steps to have a successful YouTube automation channel. Step one is YouTube terminology, is to know YouTube terminology. The first thing is to understand the YouTube terminology. When you hear creators talking about CPM and RPM, these are not just random letters. They are your profit number. So CPM is cost per mile and is how much advertiser pay per 1,000 ads view for you to YouTube. RPM on the other hand is how much YouTube pay per 1,000 after YouTube cut. So here YouTube is paying you 55% of the money advertiser pay to YouTube. That is your RPM. That is the money you take home after YouTube have got their own. So another terminology is watch time. This is like YouTube plus score for your video. It's how many minutes or hours people watch your video. It is very important because to get monetized on YouTube, 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, and the more people watch your video, the more YouTube recommend your video. Another thing again is CTR. This click-through rate is the percentage of people who click your video after seeing your thumbnail. That is why thumbnail is very important in getting views. Actually, thumbnail always have a high CTR. So if you want to succeed on YouTube, optimize your thumbnail to get a high CTR, which will also lead to higher views and higher subscribers. And to be able to reach 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours very fast, and it will be easier for you to get monetized within 30 days. Now, step 2 is understanding YouTube automation. So now, what exactly is the YouTube automation? A lot of beginners think that it is some AI making videos while you sit on a bench and see through it. The truth is that YouTube automation is a workflow where you don't do every step yourself. So it's either you hire a freelancer from Upwork or Fiverr, or use AI to handle scripting, editing, thumbnail, and voiceover. But here is the catch: hiring a full team from day one is expensive. Scriptwriter, editor, video editor, thumbnail designer, those cost much for a beginner that is just starting out. So that is why I tell beginners, start learning how to use this AI tools. There are free AI tools that you can use to start your YouTube automation channel. For editing, use CapCut or Filmora. For thumbnail, use Canva or Midjourney. For niche research, use vidIQ or ChatGPT. For script writing, use ChatGPT. Stick around because in a few seconds, I will show you clever way to make your first video without spending anything. Step 3 is how to pick a niche. Now let's talk about niches. This is where people get shiny object syndrome. They hear finance CPM is $20 and instantly decide to make finance videos without even knowing anything about finance. Picking your niche is one of the most important steps when starting YouTube automation channel. And here is the truth. Yes, CPM matters, but longevity matters more. You need a topic, a niche you can stick with for at least 50 videos without running out of ideas or getting bored. This is how to pick right niche. Ask yourself this question: what topic would I talk about for hours without getting bored? Think about your skills, your experience, and your hobbies, and you don't need to be an expert. You just need enough interest to stay consistent with that topic you fall in love with, one that resonates with you. For example, if you love fitness and have experience losing weight, your niche could be beginner friendly home workouts. Example of profitable niches you can start. One is personal finance and investing niche like budgeting, side hustle, crypto, make money with AI. Number two, health and fitness niche like keto, home workout, mental health and wellness. Number three, tech and AI like tutorial, review, automation, productivity hacks. Number four, education and skill learning like language learning, coding, career growth. Number five, lifestyle and self-improvement niches like minimalism, habits, motivation, travel hacks. And there are other trending niches that you can start and grow very fast. I will link the video in the description video. And another thing you need to understand is that there are bad niches you must avoid because those niches can easily get demonetized. These are niches that are either oversaturated or copyright, which include meditation music, action clips, movie compilation, and sports highlights. These niches you must avoid them. If you don't know how to reuse content on YouTube, you must avoid them. And it is better and it is easier and it is even best for you to choose a niche that resonates with you, a niche that you know that you can stay with it for a very long time. That you won't run out of ideas. So it's advisable you choose the niche of your passion, your interest, and at the same time, while choosing your niche of your passion, make sure that this niche of your passion will fetch you money. Understand? Will fetch you money. Instead, go and learn skills and talk about your skills on YouTube. You will still grow. Once people find your video helpful, you still grow and you still make money from it. So choosing the right niche is very important, and it also determines how successful you're going to be on YouTube. Step 4 is to study your competitors. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time for competitive research, aka spying the winners. To stand out on YouTube, research your competitors by analyzing their channel, videos, and audience engagement. Start by identifying top creators in your niche you have chosen. Do keyword research them. Study their most popular videos to see what topic and format will work best for them. Pay close attention to their thumbnails, title, and video length since this directly affects clicks, watch time, and check engagement level by comparing views to the subscribers and reading comments to understand what viewers love and still want. Look for content gap, topic they ignore, trending subjects they have not talked about, angles they didn't cover. Use tools like VidIQ, TubeBuddy, or Social Blade to gather deeper insights on keyword growth and performance. Finally, decide how you will differentiate your channel with a higher video quality and a unique style, or more focused niche, or faster coverage of nutrients. The goal is not to copy but to learn what works and deliver it in a fresh and more valuable way. Step 5 is creating your channel and content with AI. Remember, YouTube automation means running the channel without showing your face. Yes, by outsourcing or automating tasks. With AI, you can handle most steps yourself. To set up your channel, use AI like ChatGPT to generate channel name, channel description, and channel tags just by placing this prompt on ChatGPT. This prompt here works for any niche, and I will leave it in the description below. So AI makes YouTube automation simple by handling every step of content creation. Use tools like ChatGPT with vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find trending topics and keywords, then generate engaging scripts with ChatGPT and Jasper, and natural voiceover with Morph, 11 lives, play.ht, and turn script into video with CapCut, Pic3, InVideo, or Runway. So these are the AI tools that can make your work YouTube automation seamless. So you need to find a way to learn how to use these AI tools. Step 6 is to craft thumbnail that gets clicks. A great video without a clickable thumbnail is a wasted opportunity. Use Canva templates, study your competitor's design, and experiment. Think of your thumbnail as your billboard. Ask yourself, if I see this in a sea of videos, would I stop scrolling? Would I watch this video? That's why you need to make sure that your thumbnail is very catchy so that anybody that are scrolling will click on it. Now, step 7 is remember the 4 golden men when creating videos. Always optimize for audience retention. Yes, audience retention. Click-through rate through your thumbnail. Watch time. And all, you can get much watch time through your thumbnail. So if you can keep people watching, YouTube will reward you with more exposure and recommendation. So the goal here is to keep on watching. And the bottom line, YouTube automation is not yet to reach quick scheme. It is a system you build over time with consistent effort. If you are willing to learn, adapt, and upgrade your tools and team as revenue grows, this can be one of the most powerful side hustles available right now that you can start. And now, plus, what niche would you start with? Drop it in the comment section. And if this video gave you an idea and added value to you, please hit that subscribe button, like these videos, and subscribe for more so that YouTube can push this video so that more people will see. And you will not miss out any time of the video on this channel. Please subscribe, and thank you for